My name's Scott Mann. I'm the founding partner, now partial owner of the firm Mann, Wyatt, and Tanksley, formerly Mann Law Offices. My father was an architect. Frankly, I would have probably become an architect, but he was tragically killed in an accident when I was in high school. Obviously, that affects, your trajectory. I mean, he owned his own architecture firm. In fact, the same building we're in here. So the firm was here. I just think it would have been natural to go into the family business and become an architect and work with your father. I think that would have been, something I would have enjoyed. When he passed away, he was the sole owner of that business. My mother sold that business. And so I saw that process and the lawyer that helped us with that process. And that's when I kind of became interested in being an attorney. And actually, my great-grandfather was an attorney and a judge. And Horace Mann was his name, and we talked about him a lot. I never knew him. But that's kind of, it's just kind of those influences affected me. And yeah, you just see all the things you have to deal with when someone, passes away from an accident. My dad's case didn't involve any litigation, but there was the sale of the business. There are just things that have to be taken care of, life insurance, things of that nature, things that you would almost think would be automatic. But with insurance companies being for-profit, nothing's automatic in this business. Mike and I say all the time, if insurance companies would just treat people reasonably, we wouldn't have anything to do, and we have plenty to do. If you hire an attorney who's just by himself, he may be a very good attorney, but he's just going to get run over. He's not going to have the resources. He's not going to have the manpower. He's not going to have the staff, probably not going to have the finances to see your case through. And trust me, insurance companies and their defense firms know that. If you hire one of, I will say, the TV attorneys, there are going to be one or two very good attorneys in that office. They're probably not going to be on your case. You're going to have the other 40 in the back room that quite frankly have less than 5 years of experience and no trial experience. So in our firm, we have 6 lawyers. It is true, we have lawyers that have less experience than others, but in all cases, we work as a team, and you're going to get an experienced trial lawyer, and that's going to make a difference. The experience I like to give is I said, look, this is my cell phone. I'm going to text you, send you my business card. I want you to call or text anytime. I've got 4 daughters. I'm good with a cell phone. And I just think that's a good experience that my clients can get a hold of me day or night on their case. Trust me, I don't answer every phone call, but I'll answer if I'm not doing anything. And I'll certainly text back the same day. So I think just that this is a new experience for most people. There's a lot of uncertainty. They don't know how fast it's going to go, how slow it's going to go, how long it's going to take, what to expect as an outcome. What's the next thing on the horizon as far as the thing they need to do or we need to do. And I think great communication there is what they can expect from me, because it is an uncertain process for them. And I know there's a lot of anxiety. And so hopefully that's helpful to my clients. I think it is.